I would like to thank our Almighty God, the source of all our blessings. Let me begin by expressing my heartfelt salutations to the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. Sir. To the Secretary of National Defense, Honorable Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr. Sir. And the senior leaders of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, led by Chief of Staff, General Romeo S. Browner Jr. To the members of the graduating class, Philippine Navy Officer Candidate School, Mangisalakan Class 42. Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate School, Sigmandigan Class 2024. And to my classmates from the Philippine Army Officer Candidate School, Cataraquian Class 61. To our loving parents, relatives, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of us. Let me also express my heartfelt gratitude to our Commandant, Colonel Harold M. Cabunok, Masters in Military Defense Studies, Philippine Army. Your guidance and exemplary leadership have paved the way for us to become the leaders we aspire. I am also grateful to all my seniors, classmates, juniors, and our training directorate for mentoring us every single day. More importantly, to our parents, who have tirelessly supported and worked hard for us to ensure a bright future. Sa lahat ng kasama kong magsisipagtapos, yakapin natin ng maigpit mamaya ang ating mga magulang paglabas sa bulwagang ito bilang simbolo ng ating pasasalamat. Mga mahal naming magulang, maraming salamat po. To my parents, Mama Catherine and Daddy Milicio, thank you very much for being supportive and loving us always. I hope I continue to make you proud. Rest assured that I will continuously uphold the values you taught me and be humble yet passionate in all my endeavors. It is with great pride and humility that I stand before you today. I may not be the smartest nor the strongest, but I am 100% sure that my dedication and persistence have brought me to this moment. I want to emphasize that hard work and consistency can triumph over mere talent. Looking back on the training we had, the challenges almost made us give up, but we stood up and fight for our dreams. Mga madaling araw na halos ayaw na nating bumangon. Mga gabing tahimik tayong umiiyak, kasabay ng mga team nating panalangin. All those challenges made us wiser, stronger, and bolder. It has been a transformative journey for us to emerge as leaders of excellence with a bright character, to lead with valor, live with integrity, and to fulfill our duty. Our journey is just beginning, and we know that the challenges ahead will be great. As we step into our new roles as officers in the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we must uphold the high standards of discipline expected from us. We must be able to quickly grasp the military's chain of commands, traditions, and ethical guidelines critical in our transition to our new leadership roles. Let us stand drumroad straight and doing the right thing to defend the Constitution that we hold dearly as patriotic citizens. Lastly, we must remember that every decision we make, every order we give, and every life we touch reflects not only on ourselves, but on the values of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. All glory are yours, Almighty Father. Matagot-tagot ako amin at mabuhay ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas.